Hello student, I am Mrs. Harsha Devendra Zope from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayindar. Today we are going to study practical number 1 of subject computer graphics. Our practical number 1 is program to draw basic graphic objects. Practical outcomes of these videos are, after watching this video, you will be able to know about how to write a program to draw following graphics object using built-in C functions. For pixel, for lines, for circles, for rectangle and for ellipse. Minimum theoretical background for these practicals are, you should know the graphics mode. We have studied about some graphics mode. Computer graphics provide different graphics function to draw various graphics objects. By using these basic graphic functions, you will be able to construct pixel, line, circle, rectangle and ellipse. And you will learn the graphics coordinate system to plot objects. We know that graphic primitives are the function that we use to draw actual lines and characters that make up the picture. Output primitives are the basic geometric structures which describe a picture. Computer graphics mode, it is divided into two parts, text mode and graphics mode. In theory, we have studied this in detail. We will just revise in practical. Text mode. Text mode, when a screen is divided into character positions, screen is mapped as a number of rows and columns. Text mode functions are put ch. It will display single character at cursor position. Second text mode is CLR/SCR. It clears the entire screen. Third is go to XY. It positions cursor to specify location on screen. Next is text color. It applies color to your text. These are the text mode function. The next is graphics mode. In graphics mode, screen is divided into pixel. While working in C programming language, default output mode is text mode. To draw graphics objects on your screen, display mode must be changed from text mode to graphics mode. To change from text mode to graphics mode, we use function initgraph. This initgraph function, it is used to change the text mode to graphics mode. Basic graphics mode function are initgraph, closegraph and putPixel that we have studied in our theory. Initgraph function, it is used to change your text mode into graphics mode to draw the images. The syntax to write the initgraph function is initgraph in round bracket int driver comma int mode comma path round bracket complete semicolon. It can be written as initgraph in round bracket ampersand gd comma ampersand gm comma inside the double quote you have to write the path c colon 2 times backslash tc 2 times backslash bgi double quote complete round bracket complete semicolon. To write the close graph, you are having syntax close graph open round parenthesis close round parenthesis and semicolon. Then next is a putPixel. PutPixel function is used to draw pixel at given position. and with a given color. We have studied in detail about this graphics mode function. We will just revise. Graphics mode function for shape are: first is your line to function. It is used to draw a line. It is used to draw a line from current position of cursor. Okay, suppose your cursor is here and you want to draw a line at this position 500, 250. These are the coordinates of the pixel. If you want to draw a line from the current position of pixel from here to here, then you have to use line to function. Line to in bracket x coordinate comma y coordinate of the pixel. Line to in bracket 500 comma 250. Then second, we have studied line function. The line function syntax is line x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2. These are the coordinates of the particular line. Then next we have studied circle function. Syntax is circle in bracket x coordinate comma y coordinate of the center comma r, that is the radius of the circle. Here your center is having position 10 comma 10 and the radius of the circle is 5. So we are writing this circle 10 comma 10 comma 5. The next is a rectangle function. Its syntax is rectangle in bracket x1 y1 comma x2 y2. Here these are the x1 comma y1 coordinates of the particular rectangle and these are the x2 comma y2 coordinates of the particular coordinate. So by writing the values of this pixel, we can draw the rectangle. Then next graphics mode function we have to study is the ellipse. Syntax is ellipse in bracket x comma y. X comma y, these are the coordinates of the center of the ellipse, comma start comma end. Start and end, these are the starting angle and end angle. Here x rad and y rad, this is the x rad, that is the radius of the ellipse along the x-axis, and this is our y rad, that is the radius of our ellipse along the y-axis. The next we have studied graphics mode function. Let's revise. First is a set color. Syntax is set color in bracket color. Here by writing the color name inside the bracket, you can give a particular image for that color. The next we will study program to draw basic graphic objects. First we will study how to draw a line in your computer graphics. Your first line, it should be #include studio.h. That is a standard input output header file. Next is your #include conio.h. We have previously studied about this header files in your C language. And next, it is new to you, that is #include graphics.h. This header file must be included for every graphics program. The next is your void main function. Inside this void main function, first you have to declare int gm comma gd semicolon. Here the declared gm is for graphics mode and gd for graphics driver. Then next we have to use detect graph and init graph function. Detect graph is used to find out the current graphics driver and mode. The outcome of this function is used in initgraph function as input argument. Initgraph function is used to initialize with the graphics library and changes to the graphics screen for drawing. Initgraph function basically it is used to change from your text mode to graphics mode, because I have previously told you that by default your system is in textual mode, and if you want to draw some images, if you want to use the graphics, at that time you need to change the text mode to graphics mode. Then we have to use initgraph function. Initgraph, it will take this argument, that is &gm and &gd from this detectgraph function. Then comma, inside the double quote you have to mention the path. Then I want to draw a line, so I am using here line function. Line in bracket x1 coordinate comma y1 coordinate comma x2 coordinate and y2 coordinate. Here in this is the output of this program. This is your x1, this is your x1 comma y1 coordinate, it's a 200 comma 100, and then this last is a x2 comma y2 coordinates, that is x along a x-axis it's having value 400, and along the y-axis it's having value 100. Then next you have to write get ch semicolon, and after get ch here you have to use the close graph function. This close graph function is used to close the graphics mode. It deallocates all memory allocated by graphics system and restores the screen to the text mode. That is all about the explanation for this program. You have seen that the syntax is same as you have studied in a C language. That is, first you have to declare the header file. After header file, you have to declare the main function. Here you are inserting a new header file, that is a graphics.h, and to initialize the system in graphics mode, you are declaring gm gd. Gm is for graphics mode, gd is for graphics driver. Then after declaring this, you are using the detect graph function and then init graph function. These three steps are compulsory to use the computer graphics to write the code in graphics. Then you have to write the name of the object which you want to draw. Here I want to draw line, so I am drawing a line by using this particular function. Then at last you have to close the graph, means at last you have to change the text mode again into the you have to change the graphics mode again into the text mode. Thank you for watching this video.